Guys, it's your boy Kuma Trades, and we're back with another banger. Just here to educate overall and just document my journey, guys. Yeah. So today we're going to be analyzing gold, guys. I'm trying to be as consistent as I can be, but I've just been pressured with a lot of work, guys. But otherwise, yeah, we don't complain. We just keep going, guys. Yeah, so let's just get straight into it. So yeah, today I won't be showing any face. Sorry, I won't be showing any face because I'm screen recording, guys. Plus, I don't have any laptop here with me today to analyze from it. So yeah, but I think that it will be a lot more better this way. So yeah, let's just go straight into it. So yeah, guys, as you open gold now. Yeah, guys, gold tends to respect our lower time frame setups quite a lot, but of course, you should start by looking at the overall market structure, of course, from the higher time frames, and then zooming into the lower time frames, right, guys? So as you can see, let me just zoom into the fall. As you can see, that overall gold has been pushing up quite a bit. Yeah, so of course you're going to look at the current market price. Well, as you can see overall, guys, I'm sorry for stuttering, but as you can see overall, guys, gold has been pushing up. As you can see here, just this. Here's a break of structure to the upside. You see here's another break of structure to the upside, and of course it also respected this February gap. As you can also see, right after this break of structure right here, guys, right after the price closed above that high, the beautiful body closure, and then we had a February gap which price tapped into this one right here. This was the February gap the price tapped into. And it just started pushing up, of course, in the new spot, and then so we broke the structure. Of course, if you zoom into the lower time frame, right here, guys, this is some sort of structure. Let's just zoom in. Of course, it broke some sort of structure on the lower time frame. If you were to zoom into the lower time frame, it will be possible for us to see that. So let's just zoom into the lower time frame quickly. As you can see, guys, this was some sort of high, and then price broke above it, and then price ended up tapping into the February gap. Alright, guys. Yeah, so as you can see, price gold has been respecting these February gaps as long as all of the confluences have been met. So yeah, guys, let's just go back to the note and just delete this. And we go back to, and then we go to the current market price. And it's Friday today, guys. So yeah, this could be a setup for you guys. So I will upload this video as soon as I'm done editing. Of course, I'm trying to work on my editing skills as well. Just get better with time, I guess. So let me just delete this quickly. Delete that. So yeah, guys, we were just touching base on the overall market structure so far. So now let's zoom into where price is currently at. So as you've seen, guys, our price has been pushing up overall from the high time frame, from the 4-hour time frame, as you can see as well from the daily time frame as well. I mean, it closed above previous candles and so on. So yeah, let's zoom into the 1 hour. So guys, looking at gold now, gold has been starting to retrace, So according to how I trade my concepts, of course I have a bullish setup here, a buy setup here. As you can see, we have, let me just zoom into the lower time frame. Right here we have a liquidity sweep, guys. Right after the liquidity sweep, we have a change of character because this was some sort of supply that had been violated. Guys, see, so price violated the supply and then it turned into some flip zone, guys. Let's just zoom into the time frame. Okay, this is what I mean about it turning into a flip zone, guys. So you can see this was the supply, né? As you can see here, there was imbalance as well, right there. Beautiful imbalance. So other traders, of course, expected price to sell, to short selling once it got there. And then what did price do? Price swept that liquidity, and in fact, it closed above that high, that previous low. In fact, that previous low or previous supply, which indicated that price is changing direction, the market is changing direction, guys. So right after price had closed above this previous supply, and then it turned into a flip zone, right, guys. As you can see, there's some sort of liquidity. Let me just delete this error. Sorry, guys. Let me just delete this error quickly. Yeah. As you can see, this was our order block, our flip zone, which was the failed supply, which turned into a demand. As you can see, guys. This was the supply that had been violated, and then price broke above it, and then it left an inducement, like some sort of a low right before order block, and then it tapped into our previous supply, which had been violated, and turned it to demand, and it started pushing high, as you can see, guys. So right after it pushed high, of course, it left some sort of liquidity already. This is the liquidity, as you can see. And just delete this previous demand that I've mentioned. So yeah, guys, that's what I mean by the flip zone. So that's how you can take advantage of some of your setups that could be violated, guys. Yeah, sometimes price can push right up, not come back to this flip zone, but sometimes price does respect this flip zone. So let me just delete this out. So yeah, guys, as you can see, I was analyzing from the 15-minute, because as you can see right here, okay, let me just delete this out. Right here, guys, I had a liquidity sweep and price started pushing up, of course. Let me show you. And then price started pushing up. Price swept liquidity like below this lows and started pushing up, and here right here left a beautiful order block with beautiful imbalance, and right there is our liquidity, guys. There's some sort of liquidity. Of course, there are still people buyers holding out their trades from here, so expecting price to keep pushing high and high, and then price can still come back. Sorry for the text, guys. And then price is obviously going to come back, as you can see, guys. So I'm still getting to where the current market price is. So yeah, I was just explaining this to you, man. So as you can see here, this is my liquidity. Let's go into the high time frame. Let me just flip this phone, guys. Yeah, as you can see, price swept liquidity. It broke the previous structure, which indicated a change of character, and left beautiful imbalance here between the first and the third candle, guys. Between this candle 1, 2, and 3. As we can see, the wick of this candle and the third candle has no wick at all, and we have a beautiful closure above the second candle. So yeah, there is a beautiful imbalance which price could possibly retrace from. But once price gets here, guys, before you start executing, you of course start looking for a change of character setup onto zooming into the lower time frames, I guess. And then yeah, as you can see, right after price swept liquidity, changed character, and then it broke the previous high. You see, this was one of the main highs. Once it meant so, this was one of the highs. So right after it sold liquidity, it gave us a change of character, and then it broke this high. It gave us change of character and a break of structure to the upside. So yeah, let's just delete that quickly and go over to the where the price is currently at. So let me just do that. So guys, once price gets here, you can start looking for a change of character setup going into the low time frame. Let me just indicate what I mean by change of character setup. So price will start coming back. So yeah, just had to zoom in a little. So I'll just adjust my auto blocker. So as soon as price taps into here, guys, and it has to tap into here beautifully and not aggressively. So once price taps into here aggressively and sells with the a volatile bearish candle, it could be a high possibility that price is going to violate our setup. But either way, guys, as soon as it gets here to manage our risk, we'll start looking for a change of character setup before executing any buys. And then when price taps into the order block, guys, start looking for price to maybe, let's say, no, let's try to do this. Price comes here, and then once price gets there, it creates a lower low, and then breaks this previous, and then it breaks this previous low, giving us a break of structure to the downside. And then it created this lower high, of course, guys. And then as soon price takes out this high, this one, as soon as, this is what I mean by change character, guys. As soon as we get something like this on the lower time frame, it could be a 5 minute or 1 minute, guys. As soon as we get something like this, of course, a break of structure to the downside, of course, it created a lower high, of course, and then it broke structure to the downside, tapping into our order block, and then it takes out that previous high. And then as soon as it takes out that previous high, guys, it will leave some sort of beautiful demand. Your order block was beautiful at balance. It could be just a demand, guys, without any imbalance. That's a demand. And then the order block is, of course, the one with the confluences, namely by your Fibonacci gap and your liquidity sweep and so on. Right. So as soon as price gives us taps into this order block and gives us a change of character, guys, and then taps into the order block that had been created, and then once you see your order, once you see sorry guys, once you see what's this? Once you see that there's a Fibonacci gap near your order block, and then and then your order block has also broken structure and took out the previous high. Speaking on what's currently happening now, guys, and then once price takes out the currently high, it will obviously leave some sort of order block right here, and then it will come tap into it and start pushing higher, guys, and start pushing, and yeah, this previous high right here, this could be your main target overall take profit. And then your first target where you can close your partials is where price started to retrace, of course, right here, guys. And yeah, of course, you will start executing once price taps into this order block right here. After, sorry guys. Yeah, I'm just trying to give a detailed explanation, guys. So right after price had created this lower high, it broke this previous lower low, giving us a break of structure to the downside, and then it tapped into our order block, and then or higher time frame order block, and then on a lower time frame, and then it start pushing up, taking out taking out this previous high, indicating that the change of character starts, our price is going to start pushing up. And once it start retracing, pushing to an order block that had been created with a fair value gap, could be a liquidity sweep into the order block into the lower time frame. So just the order block, guys. Then you can start executing, of course, with your stop losses just a few pips below the order block, just to prevent any liquidity sweeps or wicks, just to prevent any volatile wicks or anything like that, guys. And then start executing, stop loss right below there. First, take profit right here. This is where you close your first partials, and then this is your overall target. And then once it gets here, starts at pressing that level, you can start adjusting your stop loss here and push price high. But yeah, other than that, guys, this is what I see. You see, so overall we'll have something like this, guys. Right after the price has tapped into our order block, we have something like that. So this is where the price will start pushing. You can target this. This is your overall target. And yeah, other than that, let me show you something as well. So let me explain something to you. And of course, this is a beautiful setup to me. Just delete this. So yeah, guys, we can also take advantage of a sell, because overall, as you can see, price has been pushing up, and now we can see that there's a retracement. As we can see that price did take out this buy side liquidity. Now let's start analyzing, guys. I was just trying to show that price has been pushing up over. See, as you can see, a high there, low, higher high, and it start pushing up, taking out this previous low, indicating a change of character, guys. Now let's start analyzing now. And of course, you will zoom into a lower time frame as well, to the 1 minute. So you can see, price did take out our buy side liquidity. Or rather, let's first start here, as you can see, just to have a detailed explanation of what's going on here. Yeah. So as you can see, price has been pushing up. This is our breakout, one of our breakout structures. As you can see, price did break this previous high here. Price did break above it. Or rather, let's do this. There's the first high that price closed above. And then there's the second one, indicating the price has been pushing up, guys. And then this how I know the price is definitely retracing, changing direction. And you can see price has been giving us breakout structures to the upside, breakout structure. And then right here, you can see the price will give us the last breakout structure, which is some sort of liquidity sweep or buy side liquidity had been taken out, guys. Buy side liquidity had been taken out. And then once you see that, the price stripped the liquidity above this previous highs. As you can see, price stripped liquidity above this previous highs after that sweep, and then it took out the previous low, guys, that it pushed up. So price stripped liquidity above these previous highs, and then it started pushing low, indicating that price is changing direction now, guys. And then it took out this previous low, indicating a change of direction. And then once you see this, guys, let's zoom into the low time frame, just see it get across. And then as you can see, right after price took out the buy side liquidity, sorry guys, I just had a few blips right there. Right after price took out the buy side liquidity right there, we also had a liquidity sweep, indicating that price is definitely pushing down, guys. Could be retracing into the lower, into the higher time frame, or the block that we just emphasized on right now. Yeah, guys. So let's just indicate that price did sweep liquidity right there. It's very important, guys, to zoom into the lower time frame, because each and every detail, or rather, the lower time frame, rather, it's really important that you zoom into a lower time frame whenever analyzing your overall structure as well. Whenever analyzing your setup or whatever, your pair or index or whatever, because sometimes price tends to respect these internal structures, or rather your structures on the lower time frames. But of course, after having to see the overall market direction on the higher time frame, you all know that, and after zooming into the lower time frame, you all know that price is going to retrace or whatsoever. Yeah, guys, I hope I was clear enough and that you were able to understand. So, guys, price, as you can see, back to this. Sorry, guys. As you can see, right after price swept, took out the buy side liquidity, and then it stripped the liquidity above that high, and then it took out the previous low, the main low as well, guys, indicating a change of character, as you can see. And also it took out the change of character. That's what price did, guys. Let's zoom into the high time frame. As you can see right here, price left beautiful imbalance right here, guys. Remember, imbalance of every gap is the gap, rather, between your first and your third candle, guys. And then, yeah, just a detailed explanation, guys. It's when the candle of the first and the third candle don't meet. See, as you can see, this week and this week are far apart from each other, and there's a huge gap. So that's one of the confluences that we use as SMC traders, guys, or ICT traders. So yeah, this is what price can also do, guys. Price can come, as you can see, this beautiful liquidity. Let me just zoom into the low time frame to show you. There's a beautiful double top here, or equal highs. As you can see, even if you were to zoom into, as you can see, beautiful equal highs, which is liquidity, guys, and it's resting right below our favorite gap, which price could possibly tap into and then start pushing all the way down, because that's what it does most of the time. Price can start doing this, guys. You can tap into that. You start tapping into that favorite gap right there, and it can start pushing down as well. So you're respecting that favorite gap, guys, and then obviously you'll put your stop losses above this previous one. Because what price can do, price can also come up here, zoom into a low time frame, to come tap into this order block. You got coming to respect the SMC smart money concept traders, and then going all the way down as well. So that's the two possible scenarios that could take place right here, guys. And like I had indicated, you can start looking for price setups as well here. But what price can do, price can also push impulsively down, taking out these orders that were placed here. Taking out these orders that were placed here. And then they start pushing all the way down. So yeah, guys, that is basically what I wanted to explain, and yeah, hopefully you were able to learn something and take away something from this. Yeah, please, guys, just comment and try to engage as much as possible, just so whether I know my audience is able to, comprehend what I'm saying, or rather that my audience really understands the concepts that I'm trying to explain. in detail as much as possible. So yeah, guys, and I would also appreciate it if you could comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. See you on the next one. And yeah, I'm trying to push as much as possible. So I'll push out a lot of content as much as I can, guys. I don't really care about the views. I just wanna, stick to the consistency. And then, yeah, just push, guys. Just make a change or difference in other people's trading careers and so on. And document my journey as well, just to show other traders that are probably going through a difficult time, losing money all the time, but it's also possible, because all of the traders have surely experienced the same experience that you're going through. We've all been still going through it, guys. It doesn't mean when you have money, when traders have a lot of money, they don't lose money. They also lose money. Just sit there, still have a lot of money, just keep on pumping and make money, lose money, make money. So yeah, that's all we need, guys. Not a huge chunk, but just money. You lose trades, you win trades. So if you're able to manage your risk, maybe make 2,000 withdraw or 1.5, and play with the other 500, just keep pushing and not also rushing the process, trying with the wrong mindset, trying over leveraging and so on, guys. Just taking it slow, just delaying our success a little bit, because I don't want to lie, guys, I blew a lot of accounts, but this year there's been a lot of progress, guys. I don't want to lie. Yeah, thank you, guys. I'll be back soon.